Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you my top favorite places to eat breakfast in Pantai Indah Kapuk. Hi guys, my name is Gio, and for a few days I'm scrolling around North Jakarta, which is an area called PIK or Pantai Indah Kapuk that is located near Northern Jakarta beach. This place is one of my favorite area to do my morning walk and breakfast because they have a lot of restaurants and cafes for us to hang out. So this place is also fun for you to do your morning activities such as riding a bike, running, exercising. It's all what you want to do in the morning right here. You can also rent a bike for around $2.08 an hour to get a fun time with your families and friends. After we did all that, let's check out some of my favorite places to eat breakfast. Number 4. OVN. If you're looking for a fresh bread and pastry to start up the day, I'll recommend you OVN Artisan Bakery. This shop serves you one of the best fresh bread, croissant, donut, waffles, and croffles. All the bake and pastry here are freshly made. They open their business from 8 a.m. until 8 p.m. So I got my go-to, which is the almond croissant for $2.28 with the garlic cheese bun for just 83 cents. Also the salted egg croissant for $2.50. And for the morning coffee, let's try the cappuccino. Let's try the croissant. FYI, it's easier to eat it by hand. The croissant both is soft and delicious. I really like both the salted egg and almond croissant, but if I had to choose one, the almond is my go-to. Next, let's try the garlic cheese bun. The cheese bun is good, but I would prefer the croissant more because it's more soft and crunchy. But I would recommend to try any other fresh made bread and pastry when you come here. Like the donut, it looks pretty delicious. The place is also comfortable for you to chill with coffee in here, and I would recommend you this place to visit. Number 3. Loops. If you are looking for a comfy and relaxing place for you to have breakfast and coffee in the morning which you can chill also, then I would recommend you to Loops. The place open for business from 7 a.m. until 8 p.m. This shop have a bit of gardening decoration for those of you who likes greenery ambience. Also sells plant, a homemade handbag, and any other needs for your gardening at home. This place serves sandwiches, ice cream, and coffee in the morning until the evening. They have a limited selection in their menu. But first, let's try their specialty, which is the swirl soft ice cream for $2.49. I enjoy eating ice cream in the morning, and this swirl ice cream tastes refreshing and delicious. One ice cream a day keeps the doctors away, they say. This ice cream combines from cereal milk and chocolate milk with a topping of any cereal you can choose from. Next, let's try the tonkatsu chicken sando. Sando also means sandwich in Japanese. This Japanese style sandwich is a combination of chicken, coleslaw, and tonkatsu sauce. The bread texture is crunchy, and I really enjoy the taste combination between the sauce and the chicken. It also serves with waffle fries on the side, which tastes pretty good. This place has a limited seating capacity, but overall it has a unique ambience for breakfast, so I recommend you to check out the place early when you are in the area. Number 2. Dave & Beck's Coffee House. If you want to have a big breakfast to start the day, then I recommend you to visit Dave & Beck's. A kind of modern with simple decoration, this brand new shop serves all-day breakfast and coffee. They open for business from 8 a.m. until 6 p.m. There I ordered the hot chocolate for $2.42, the glazed bacon croissant for $4.01, and the Japanese OG curry for $4.15. If you're looking for a substitute other than coffee, then I recommend to try their hot chocolate, which tastes soothing and lifts your mood in the morning. Then I tried the honey glazed croissant, which tastes so good. that it became my favorite dish here. The glazed sauce is poured on top of the bacon and egg croissant that makes the taste perfectly sweet and also savory. I really like the Japanese OG curry also. Their curry tastes nice and savory enough, which I enjoy every bit of it. Overall, I really enjoyed both dishes. But if I have to choose one, the honey glazed croissant is my favorite. They also have this balcony that display an amazing view of the big bridge and buildings. So I recommend you try Dave & Beck's if you're in the area. Number 1. Native Coffee Tribe. So this shop has this unique vibe of native cultural design. The murals and the native tribe decoration makes you feel like you're eating breakfast in a native era. The place also feels pretty nice. It has a great atmosphere and a fun place to hang out with your friends in the morning. So I ordered the green juice for $3.11 and the hot cappuccino for $2.56. The green juice tastes refreshing. If you want to shop, this place also serves accessories such as t-shirt, collapsible cup, and mugs with their brand design. I'm all for eggs in the morning, so I tried the egg wrap for $4.01. The wrap is soft and easy to bite, and it's a perfect dish if you want to try a quick breakfast. Overall, it tastes delicious. They also have the hash brown potato on the side, which have a good crunch to fill up your stomach. Next, we try the egg mayo croissant for $4.01. If you need an egg to start your meal in the morning, then I recommend you to try the croissant. The mayo blends perfectly well between the egg, lettuce, and croissant, which make your morning savory and cheerful. But my friend likes it too. Overall, I really enjoy the food, and the ambience of the place is great. They also have the indoor smoking room, which also feels comfortable. The place is enjoyable and is also a perfect place for you to hang out and grab a bite to eat after your morning exercise. They also have the outdoor section if you are interested. So make sure to check Native Coffee Tribe if you're in the area. That's it guys. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And if you wanna see more cool videos, hit that notification button. Thank you. Bye.